Something exciting is happening in the world, and a new Google is being created. A new world order is being created. And I want you to be part of that. I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited to be in this conversation with you today, because something exciting is happening in the world, and a new Google is being created. A new world order is being created. And I want you to be part of that. Probably when Amazon started, probably in 1996 or 95, whenever it was, maybe you didn't get to be part of that. When Google was started, like maybe you didn't invest in Google. But right now, today, you are able to be part of a new revolution, a new thing that's going to transform the world. This is not a just regular thing that I'm talking about today. I'm talking about the technology that's going to change the way we live. The technology that's going to change, that create in the next 10 years, more change than the entire species evolution in the last 10,000 to 4.2 million years of human experience. So this next 10 years, it's going to be starting right now. And I want you to be part of that. That's why I'm doing this. So what am I talking about? The beginning of the next level is artificial intelligence. And we get to be part of that right now. So I'm going to demonstrate for you one of the major revolutions in artificial intelligence that you could use for your business to start growing a business, start scaling a business, marketing a business more effectively, creating sales and increasing your sales and doing so many things, including branding, naming, and all kind of things. So I'm going to start. Imagine that you are starting a business. So this is a series that I would like you to be part of that might go on for some time. But every day you're going to get a new thing that's going to help you like dramatically increase the efficiency and dramatically reduce the time that you spend on working on anything business. So let's get started. So I'm going to share my screen right now, right here. And now I'm going to put on my glass, maybe if I need it. So I'm going to show you how to name a product using artificial intelligence. So how could you name a product using artificial intelligence? So for this project, what I would like you to do is you could go to chat.openai.com, and start an account, start a free account. So it's chat.openai.com, and then start a free account. And then you would come to this place, and you could click on new chat. And this is a language modeled artificial intelligence. What does that mean? It means it can understand your language and come up with what you want. So let me show you something at first. So today's conversation is how to name a product. So naming a product or brand. So that's what we're going to do. So we need to name a product or a brand. That's what you need. So in order to make it easy for us to save your time, what I'm going to do is I have written some language model scripts in 3 different levels. So which means like in the beginning, I'll be showing you one level 1. This is what you're going to do. You just type it out and say that, give me a great name and a tagline for my product. Okay, for my product. So you just say that. And then on the next line, you could say my product. So you need to make sure that you're spelling it correctly. My product, for the most part, my product, virgin coconut oil. And you are asking it specifically more details. So imagine that you're talking to a human. Okay, and then it will give you 3 variations. So I want 3 brand names for my virgin coconut oil company. That's what I'm asking it right now. So this is a level 1 of naming. So so the first answer that I'm getting is there are error generating a response, because as you could see, there are like so many people trying to get into OpenAI, and like it's at capacity right now. They're not able to do this. So what we will do is we'll go an alternate path for doing this. We will go to OpenAI. This is probably, if that is happening to you too, it's a good idea for you to understand that you can go to Playground, where I have a paid version. So where you could get a paid version and do that. But generally speaking, you will be writing it here, right? Right, it looks like they're writing something funny. Write a guided meditation about the status of the chat GPT. Okay, so here you go. We have a paid version. Even if you don't have a paid version, you could go to Playground and you could work with this. In my case, I need to use it for like business. So you could be using it for free without paying until a limit. Okay, so let's use this. Give me a great name and a tagline for my product. So what is the product? The product is virgin coconut oil. And you could say more details, and you're getting, by the way, you would see, it's good that you experienced that challenge with the chat GPT, because Microsoft is invested in it. Like millions and millions of people are on this platform right now. Because of that, it's crashing, right? So they will be upgrading the system so that, you know, everybody will be able to sit in, right? Just like everybody is sitting on Facebook, this is going to be everybody playing in the next 5 to 10 years as we are evolving into AI. So let's get started. You do that, that's it. It's a natural language. Give me a great name and a tagline. Great name and a tagline. Instead of great, you could call it catchy if you want. Catchy name and tagline for my product. Product is virgin coconut oil. More details, give me 3 variations. And click submit. It's giving you 3 options. Coconut kiss, pure, natural coconut oil for health and beauty. Coconut heaven, the natural choice for health and beauty. So do you see that it has a name and it has a tagline too? So now I'm like, I don't want 2 names. Just give me 1 name. It's all like 2 names, right? Possibly 1 word. So you say possibly 1 word, then it can possibly give you 1 word instead of giving you 2 words. So again, languaging looks like it didn't understand what I'm talking about. So since you didn't understand, catchy, single word name and tagline for my product. Okay, you got it? So that's what we did. Let's see if it's understanding it. Okay, see vigor, V-Coco, Coco Nut, N-A-T-U-R. Beautiful names, right? You see that. Vigor is a beautiful name. V-Coco is a beautiful name, a healthier choice. Vigor, pure, natural, rejuvenating. Coconator. That's another beautiful name, right? I hope nobody is using that. Discover a new level of wellness. What a beautiful name that they have given us. Now, this is level 1. So I'm going to go to level 2, which is the next level of naming a product. Now, you are like, okay, give me a catchy single word tagline and name for my product. Okay. And of course, my product is virgin coconut oil. And I have written the script for us. So what you could do is give me 3 variations. Background, you're giving you some background. It's from India, Asia. Okay. Uniqueness is cold pressed, positioning is premium. And now you are saying, give me a single catchy single word name and a tagline for my product. Product is virgin coconut oil. And you're asking, give me 3 variations. And background is, it's from India, Asia. It's from India and Asia. At Asia, and I'm sure ChatGPT knows India is in Asia. Uniqueness, cold press. Okay, that should be good. Uniqueness, cold press. Cold press coconut is much better in terms of health. Positioning is premium priced, right? For premium people. Product is a product, we already covered that. We don't need that anymore. More details, give me 3 variations. So it already says 3 variations. Okay, so we can get rid of that. Now I'm going to get rid of this. We already says 3 variations. Now, by the way, there are different versions of Clarity with text ADA. Then you are going to get fast result. But text DaVinci 003, you get more accurate data, more accurate precision, right? More precision, speed for this one, accuracy for this one. So I'm going to use the most precise one so you could experience this, because nobody is telling people how to do this thing. So I wanted to share this with you so that you could be pioneer, you could understand how to use this business. Do this to do entire business, almost entirety of business can be managed from here. So I clicked already. Okay. So this is one name, Nimara, pure cold pressed coconut oil from India. Coco Lux, premium coconut oil from Indian topics. Coconut, the finest coconut oil from India. Like, do you see that there are 3, like these options are getting better and they are cool too. And these are all taglines. And if you go to a professional company to do this, they might charge you thousands of dollars to come up with these names and suggest things. Now, this is level 2. And you're like, if you're already excited about level 2, let's go to level 3, which is like the next step. Now, uniqueness, cold press, premium, style. Now there is one more thing that I'm doing called style. So if you're not familiar with like advertisement, the 3 most famous people who basically revolutionized advertising, the 3 people are that I believe that are the revolutionaries of advertisement is Claude C. Hopkins, David Ogilvy, and Eugene Schwartz. So these are the 3 pioneers. These are the 3 most famous people in advertisement. If you are not familiar with their work, go study that. This will give you a lot of idea. So they are really the best in the industry. And as far as I know, forgive me if anybody's alive, I think all of them have passed on. So you cannot get them to write for us. These are the pioneers. These are the geniuses in advertisement industry. Now, here you could say, write in the style of Claude Hopkins, even the naming itself, write with his style. So we don't need 3 options anymore. I'm saying, write the style of Claude Hopkins. Let's see what happens. So Coco Q, tagline, pure pleasure from India. Beautiful. That's Claude Hopkins. Now you're like, okay, I want to try a different person. I want to try David Ogilvy, who's another, like one of the greatest. And I will be bringing these 3 people into all of our conversation as we are doing this thing together. And as you're learning how to use artificial intelligence to just do like the basic things to the most advanced thing in your business so that you could grow your business to the next level, right? So the style is David Ogilvy, and I'm going to get rid of the name. That's a beautiful name too. And then submit. You get an Ogilvy style. Oh, so probably that coconut, purely Indian, cold pressed, virgin coconut oil. So it brings in the credibility of India as a country. And then it is also bringing the tagline, a beautiful tagline as well, right? So the third one is Eugene Schwartz. And let's see how Eugene will write this, okay? So this is how ChatGPT writes its stuff. Coco Pure. Probably pure coconut, pure luxury. Yeah, that's good, right? Pure coconut, pure luxury. Coco Pure. It talks about the purity, it talks about the coconut, and it talks about the luxury. And there is a resonance, pure. There is kind of a rhyme to that as well, right? So this is how you write and create. Like it will be taking you probably like less than 15 minutes, maximum 30 minutes. You could come up with a name for a product. Imagine how many days and how many months you spend naming a product. How do you come up with a name for a product, and how much money you're paying for naming a product? And OpenAI can actually collect all this information and come up with a beautiful name that represents your brand and use your business to the next level. And let me know what you want to do with OpenAI. And I'll be happy to do videos on that so that you could learn to do whatever you want to do with artificial intelligence in your business. Even if you're just starting out, even if you're just about to put a name for your product. And tomorrow, I'm going to talk about how to create an avatar. Let's say you have named your product and you have a product, how to create an avatar for your customers so that in a fast way, probably in a few minutes, how do you come up with an avatar? Find out who is interested in your product. And everything that I teach you, I'm going to teach you in 3 levels. For beginners, for intermediate people, and advanced people. Based on the level you are, you can understand it and you could use it in your business. I'll see you tomorrow with the next step, which is how to create an avatar. Talk to you tomorrow.